That renovation you're planning for 2026, it could look incredibly dated before the paint even dries. Some of the most popular design finishes right now are choices you're going to regret in just a few years. Here's the painful truth. People are installing finishes in their homes today that will scream a very specific year for the next 2 decades. These are trendy choices that look stunning on Pinterest and Instagram, but will have you wondering what you were thinking by 2030. According to Hello Magazine, Google searches for 2026 interiors have increased by 324% in the last 3 months. People are finally waking up to the fact that many popular design choices are already on their way out. Today, I'm counting down 10 popular interior design finishes that are going to date your home fast. I've gathered insights from top interior designers, architects, and the latest industry reports to show you exactly what to avoid. For each one, I'll explain why it dates quickly and give you a more timeless alternative. Stick around until number 1 because it's the hardest and most costly to undo. High contrast grout with tile. This is one of the fastest ways to timestamp your home to a specific year. White tile with black grout was everywhere from 2014 to 2022, but now it reads as a very specific era of design. According to design experts, high contrast grout creates a graphic grid effect that dates a kitchen faster than almost any material choice. The higher the contrast between your tile and grout, the more your eye is drawn to the pattern. And when that pattern was the hot trend of a particular era, everyone will know exactly when you renovated. What to do instead? Designers in 2026 are specifying grout that closely matches the tile color, sometimes just 1 or 2 shades warmer or cooler. As one industry report confirms, tonal grout matched to tile color is back. Contrast grout reads dated in 2026. Now, speaking of tile choices that seemed like a great idea at the time, trendy tile backsplash patterns. Here's the thing about tile backsplashes. There's always a pattern that's very of that year. Vertical stack tile had its moment. Zellige tiles are having theirs now. Fish scale, chevron, and complex geometric mosaics photograph beautifully, but they date kitchens just as fast as speckled beige granite did in the 2000s. Color and design expert Kylie M of Kylie M Interiors puts it bluntly. Subway tile already looks so dated to me. It's a classic, yes, but it trended so hard it will look dated soon, and it's already happening in my opinion. Nothing is truly timeless in design. Sometimes it's not the one thing that dates a home in the future. It's an accumulation of design choices. According to industry data, backsplash tile trends now turn over every 3 to 5 years, significantly faster than the 7 to 10 year cycle of the 2000s. What to do instead? Simple 3x6 subway tile with tonal grout has been around for decades and never truly goes out of style. Another safe option is carrying your countertop material up the backsplash for a seamless look. Designer Justine Wollman told Good Housekeeping, "The continuity of material feels elevated, seamless, and both modern and timeless." And this brings us to a pattern that people really took too far. Chevron and herringbone overload. Now here's an important distinction. Chevron and herringbone are actually fairly timeless patterns. The pattern itself isn't the problem. The overload is the problem. Joy Almond, licensed realtor and founder of Luxury SoCal Realty, told House Digest, "Chevron and herringbone patterns, for example, were everywhere a few years ago, but they can now feel too trendy and tricky to install. When you have chevron on the floor, chevron throw pillows probably in teal and white, a chevron area rug, and a chevron backsplash, you've ridden this trend way too hard." Gemelin Trainer, senior project manager at Mueller Expo Services International, confirms in House Digest, "This can be visually striking, but has been used and abused in DIY decor and turned stale fairly quick." What to do instead? Pick your moments. One herringbone wood floor in natural tones is timeless. Herringbone everywhere in high contrast colors screams a very specific renovation year. Now, at the end of the day, you're the one who has to live in your home. If you love your chevron everything and it makes you happy, that's what matters. Don't let me or anyone else take that away from you. But you came here to hear my opinion and the research of experts. So let's continue. Mosaic accent tile strips. Those decorative mosaic strips running horizontally through showers or backsplashes were peak early 2000s design. They break up the visual flow and date your space instantly. Evelina Juzanite, principal interior designer at Planner 5D, told House Digest, "I hope this trend doesn't make a comeback, because it creates too much visual clutter and requires a lot of grouting. Plus, it's harder to maintain." Camille Kozoris, senior designer and founder of Unique Tiles, agrees. Mosaic borders now feel fragmented and busy. I suggest using a single large format tile with a simple neutral color palette, such as white or gray for a timeless look. What to do instead? Use continuous tile throughout your shower with subtle variations in texture or finish. Large format tiles reduce grout lines and create a more seamless architectural expression. We're getting into the bigger decisions now. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the rest. These next ones might surprise you. Painted accent walls. Having one dramatic statement wall while everything else is plain now feels incomplete and dated. This is perhaps the most criticized trend among professional designers. In a Wall Street Journal survey of 50 designers, Nina Megan of Houston's Contour Interior Design delivered the harshest verdict. Accent walls give the impression the allocated budget could not complete the design intent and looks unfinished. Christopher Boutlier, owner of Christopher Boutlier Interiors, agrees. Accent walls have become one of those default design moves, but like any trend, some versions have overstayed their welcome. What to do instead? The 2026 replacement is color drenching, painting walls, trim, ceilings, and sometimes doors of single cohesive color. Designer Olivia Beautree told Living Edge, "Overall, we're less interested in feature walls and more in using color to fully envelop a room and set a distinct mood." Now here's one that divides opinions, but I think the verdict is in. Arches without architectural context. Arches are wonderful when they make sense for the architecture. The problem is people shoving them anywhere and everywhere they don't belong. Cherie Lee, founder of Cherie Lee Interiors, gave the most quoted verdict of 2026 to Hello Magazine. "Don't overdo arches and curves. They've been used everywhere, and when applied without architectural relevance, they start to feel gimmicky. Use them sparingly and only where they naturally suit the space." House Digest confirms, while gorgeous for a brief moment in time, arches have become oversaturated and thus outdated in interior design. Homeowners were adding arches to multiple doorways, hallways, windows, over shower or bath alcoves, by the front door, or even in the garden. If you have a basement with 8-foot ceilings in a typical suburban home, arches are not for you. In a Mediterranean villa where arches have existed for decades, they're beautiful and appropriate. Context is everything. What to do instead? If arches don't fit your home's architecture, find other ways to play with the trend. An arched mirror or arched decorative pieces give you the aesthetic without permanently altering your architecture. Alright, we're at the halfway point. Everything we've covered so far is relatively affordable to fix, but what's coming next? These are the ones that cost real money to undo. Like this video if it's been helpful, and let's keep going. All gray color palettes. Gray was the it neutral for over a decade, but in 2026, it's officially dated when used as your entire color scheme. Elizabeth Graziolo, founder and principal of Yellow House Architects, told Homes and Gardens, "An all-white and gray palette can instantly make a home look dated. For example, all white or gray kitchen cabinets and white stone. While it was once seen as neutral and modern, it often removes warmth from a space. At one point in time, it became a safe thing to do, but because it was used so uniformly, it now reads as formulaic rather than thoughtful." Craig Gritson, founder of Curated Style Collective, told House Digest specifically about bathrooms. "One bathroom trend that I'm tired of seeing, and I hope to not encounter in 2026, is the cold gray and white bathrooms that were very popular the last 10 years. This palette was overdone and often feels cold, flat, and lacks character. What to do instead? Sherwin-Williams named Universal Khaki, a mid-tan with green undertones, as their 2026 color of the year. The shift is toward warm neutrals: mushroom, limestone, parchment, and taupe. Sage green, dusty blue, and terracotta are also gaining traction. If gray walls are dated, you can probably guess what's next. The flooring industry even gave it a name. Gray flooring. Cool tone gray flooring is perhaps the most universally rejected item on this entire list. The flooring industry has even named the shift. They're calling it the Gray-xit. Michaela Quinton, director of design at Copper Sky Design and Remodel, delivered the strongest verdict to homes and gardens. Gray anything is a big sign of a dated home to me. For years, gray was everywhere, from cabinets to tile, and perhaps the biggest offender, gray wood look flooring. When a trend becomes so popular that it appears in almost every home for over a decade, it eventually feels stale and builder grade. Now, several decades later, gray interiors feel time-stamped and uninspiring. Sky Hofstadter, owner and principal designer at House of Hof, agrees. Gray floors can make spaces feel cold and flat, lacking the warmth and timelessness that more natural wood tones provide. Gray floors don't add much to a room, whereas natural wood finishes bring depth and character to a space. Gray had an incredible run from about 2015 to 2022. What's changed is the overall design mood. What to do instead? Quinton recommends. Today, warmer tones have largely replaced the gray trend. We're using warm, creamy whites and richer wood tones. For contrast, deeper blues and greens create space that feels more inviting and timeless. Think honey oak, walnut, and natural wood finishes. Now, look, I know some of you are sitting there with gray floors right now thinking, well, great, but here's the thing. If you love your gray floors and they make you happy every time you walk through your home, then honestly, who cares what's trending? You're the one who lives there. One day the sun will expand and swallow this entire planet, so in the grand scheme of things, none of this matters. Enjoy your home. But if you're planning a new renovation and you want to make choices you won't regret, that's what this list is for. We're in the top 2 now. These are expensive to fix and will define your home for years. Matte black hardware. Matte black exploded in the 2000s and early 2020s, but designers confirm it's stepping aside in 2026. Nicole Spurlock, founder of Nicole Spurlock Design Company, told Homes and Gardens in their March 2026 feature, "All matte black hardware and lighting against white cabinetry will definitely date your home in 2026. This high contrast trend peaked really hard in 2020, and the bigger the trend, the harder it falls. Beyond style concerns, there are practical nightmares." Elizabeth Valkovics, founder and creative director of Battencourt Design, told Real Simple, "A matte black faucet may look beautiful when it is first installed, but over time it will start to chip, revealing the silver material beneath and ruining the piece's sleek, contemporary look. It is just not the only go-to finish anymore. Clients are definitely requesting it less. Water spots, drip toothpaste, and soap residue are all highlighted by the high contrast backdrop of black fixtures. Limescale buildup is also more visible. What to do instead? Spurlock recommends you can easily swap out your hardware for something with an heirloom feel, such as unlacquered brass or even polished nickel. UK designer Juliette Byrne told, "Hello, for 2026, we are seeing a movement toward warmer finishes like brushed nickel, soft bronzes, and antique brass tones." Number 1 is the most expensive mistake on this list. It is going to lock you in for 20 years. Share this video with anyone planning a renovation. They need to hear this before signing contracts. Black windows. Black windows are perhaps the most significant dating element people are installing right now. They look stunning in magazines, but the strongest criticism comes from architects who understand how they actually perform. Christopher Pagliaro of Christopher Pagliaro Architects published a candid manifesto against the trend. Perhaps the one trend of the modern farmhouse that truly triggers us is the idea that the black window defines this style. It does not. In fact, it fails the style. During the daytime, the inside of the house reads as a dark hole no matter how illuminated the interior may be. The result is that the scale of the fenestration is lost as the black grills disappear, which means that all of the intended residential scale ultimately fails. He continues, There are far too many white houses with black windows that are nothing more than dressed in trend. Color expert Maria Killam warns about the specific high contrast application. Black windows with a white exterior and interior is the hottest trend going at the moment. If you choose the wrong windows, they will look like black holes. On the interior, black windows dominate every single room they're in. They compete with your furniture, your art, your decor. And here's the real problem. You're locked in forever until you replace the windows, which costs thousands of dollars per window. Those black windows will announce exactly when you made that choice for the next 20 years. What to do instead? Choose window frames that closely match your siding color or go with white. White windows are a timeless, safe choice that nobody ever looks at and thinks they're dated. Windows and siding are not where you take big design swings. I don't want to leave you feeling like you can never follow trends. Designer Richard Rabel offered the perfect principle. You can get the same pop of color effect with rugs, pillows, window treatments, and art. Textiles and soft goods are easy to swap out. Decorative objects like candlesticks, vases, and art prints can be donated when you're ready for a change. And paint on walls, not cabinets, can be updated in a weekend. The principle is simple. The harder something is to change, the more timeless your choice should be. The thread connecting all these dating finishes? We're leaving behind the high contrast modern farmhouse look that dominated 2018 to 2022. The shift is toward what the industry is calling homeliness warm. Layered interiors that feel collected rather than constantly updated. Interior designer Sophie Patterson told Homes and Gardens, "What dates a home is when it leans too heavily into a specific trend or moment in time." Now, I've shared my opinions. That's what you came here for. But let me end with this. If something on this list is in your home and you absolutely love it, if it makes you happy every single day, then forget everything I just said. Your home is for you. Not for resale value, not for Instagram, not for what some designer thinks is trendy this year. If it brings you joy, that's what matters. But if you're planning a renovation and you want to make smart choices, now you know what to consider. Hit like and subscribe if this helped. Drop a comment telling me which trend surprised you most. I'll see you in the next video.